Hello and welcome back to Go Next. Today, we'll be exploring demonstrative pronouns, an essential tool for clear and precise communication. Learn how to indicate objects or people without unnecessary repetition or vague gestures. Ever struggled to say "look at that" without awkwardly waving your arms? Yeah, we've all been there. Demonstrative pronouns are the words that show or replace a specific noun and indicate its position, near or far. I really like orange juice. I think that's my favorite drink. Antecedent, orange juice, the noun being replaced. Demonstrative pronoun, that's, short for that is, refers back to orange juice and emphasizes it. The pronoun, that, replaces the antecedent, orange juice, to avoid repetition. Here are some examples. This is my friend Lance. This replaces a person, Lance, who is nearby. That looks like a poisonous snake. That replaces an animal, snake, at a distance. These are my favorite books. These replaces objects, books, close to the speaker. The cookies were fresh. Those smelled amazing. Those refers back to the things, cookies, previously mentioned, indicating they are farther away. The table categorizes demonstrative pronouns based on distance, near or far, and number, singular or plural. This, near plus singular, refers to one item close to the speaker. These, near plus plural, refers to multiple items close to the speaker. That, far plus singular, refers to one item far from the speaker. Those, far plus plural, refers to multiple items far from the speaker. Singular, one item used for a single object, e.g. this apple, that book. Plural, multiple items used for multiple objects, e.g. these apples, those books. Number, demonstrative pronouns can be singular, this, that, or plural, these, those. Distance, they indicate near, this, these, or far, that, those, in space or time. This is an apple, it is sweet. This indicates singular plus near demonstrative, one apple, close by. That, over there, is my house. That indicates singular plus far demonstrative, one house, distant. Demonstrative pronouns as sentence subjects. Demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those, frequently serve as subjects in sentences, the element performing the verb's action. Examples, this is quite an interesting book. This, singular, near, acts as subject of is. Refers to a specific nearby book. These are my favorites. These, plural, near, serves as subject of are. Indicates multiple nearby preferred items. Are those the files you were looking for? Those, plural, far, is the subject of are. Points to distant files in question. That doesn't sound good. That, singular, far, functions as subject of doesn't sound. References something concerning at a distance. Demonstrative pronouns as sentence objects. Demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those, can function as objects when they receive the action of the verb. Examples, I knew all about this. This, singular, near, receives the action of knew. Refers to something specific and close. No one told Barry about that. That, singular, far, is the object of told. Points to something distant, physically or in conversation. We bought these in Paris. These, plural, near, receives the action of bought. Refers to multiple items acquired nearby. You did a great job with those. Those, plural, far, is the object of did. Indicates multiple distant items being referenced. Oh, I need that. That, singular, far, is the object of need. Expresses desire for something not immediately close. We'll break down the key differences between demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives, two roles that use the same words, this, that, these, those, but function differently in sentences. Demonstrative pronouns versus adjectives, replacing versus describing. Pronoun, replaces the noun entirely. Adjective, describes which specific noun. Stand alone versus needs company. Pronoun, can stand alone in a sentence. Adjective, must have a noun following it. Function in sentence. Pronoun, acts as either subject or object. This is delicious. I want that dress. Adjective, always modifies a noun. This cake is delicious. Those shoes are mine. Remember, both use the same words, this, that, these, those, but pronouns replace nouns while adjectives describe them. The meaning stays similar, but adjectives make it more specific. Great job mastering demonstratives. Now let's practice. Look at blank beautiful painting over there. It's amazing. Use plural demonstrative, those, for things that are far. Blank cookies here are fresh out of the oven. Use these for plural cookies nearby. I can't believe blank dress you're wearing is so expensive. Use this for a singular dress being worn. Blank books on the top shelf are very old. Use those as a demonstrative adjective for distant books. I don't like blank shoes you bought last week. Use those for plural shoes from the past. Blank isn't the right way to solve the problem. Use this as a pronoun for an abstract concept. Blank chairs near the window aren't comfortable. Use those for plural chairs at a distance. Are blank your keys on the table? Use these for nearby plural keys. Is blank your sister standing by the door? Use that for a singular person at a distance. Were blank the documents you needed for the meeting? Use those to point to specific documents. You've unlocked the power of demonstrative pronouns. Now, let's keep the momentum going. Smash that like button if this helped, subscribe for more grammar hacks, and drop a comment below. Which pronoun trips you up? What grammar topic should we cover next?